The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Businesses are seeking innovative solutions that give them a competitive edge. Onpassive emerges as a leader in this space. It is an AI-powered platform designed to revolutionize digital marketing strategies. Onpassive empowers businesses by providing intelligent automation and a comprehensive suite of tools. These tools streamline marketing efforts and maximize ROI. In today's fast-paced digital world, Onpassive is the key to unlocking unprecedented growth. Onpassive is more than just a platform. It's a comprehensive solution that empowers businesses of all sizes. It helps them thrive in the digital age. With Onpassive, businesses can optimize their marketing campaigns and achieve remarkable results. But before we get started, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot, thanks. Also, please like and comment below. I do appreciate it. At the heart of Onpassive lies its robust artificial intelligence. AI analyzes vast amounts of data, identifies patterns, and provides businesses with actionable insights. This enables them to make data-driven decisions, ultimately optimizing their marketing strategies for maximum impact. Onpassive's AI-powered tools cover every aspect of digital marketing. This includes targeted advertising, personalized email marketing, and even dynamic content creation. By leveraging AI, Onpassive ensures that marketing campaigns are precisely targeted and tailored to the right audience at the right time. This level of personalization enhances customer engagement and drives conversions. Onpassive's AI is constantly learning and evolving, ensuring that marketing campaigns remain effective and relevant in an ever-changing digital landscape. Onpassive boasts an array of features designed to empower businesses and achieve digital marketing success. One standout feature is its targeted advertising capabilities. Onpassive's AI analyzes customer data, identifies the most receptive audiences, and ensures that advertisements are seen by those most likely to convert. Another key feature is personalized email marketing. Onpassive enables businesses to create highly targeted email campaigns that resonate with individual subscribers. This personalized approach fosters stronger customer relationships and ultimately leads to higher conversion rates. Content creation is made effortless with Onpassive. Its AI-powered tools assist in generating compelling content tailored to specific audiences. From social media posts to blog articles, Onpassive streamlines content marketing efforts, ensuring a consistent brand message across all channels. Section 4. Experience the Onpassive advantage. The benefits of using Onpassive are numerous and far-reaching. Businesses experience a significant advantage. One of the most significant advantages is end-to-end automation. Onpassive automates repetitive marketing tasks. This frees up valuable time. It allows marketing teams to focus on strategic initiatives. Enhanced marketing performance is another key benefit. Onpassive's AI-powered tools optimize campaigns in real time. They provide businesses with a competitive edge. By leveraging AI, Onpassive helps businesses achieve higher return on investment. It does this by minimizing wasted ad spend. It targets the most qualified leads. Onpassive prioritizes customer engagement. It recognizes that building strong customer relationships is paramount to success. The platform's AI-powered tools enable businesses to provide personalized experiences. They can nurture leads. They can drive customer loyalty. Section 5. Onpassive, your partner in digital marketing success. In conclusion, Onpassive is more than just a digital marketing platform. It is a partner in success for businesses navigating the digital landscape. With its AI-powered tools, comprehensive features, and commitment to customer engagement, Onpassive empowers businesses to achieve sustainable growth. By automating tasks, optimizing campaigns, and providing valuable insights, Onpassive transforms the way businesses approach digital marketing. It allows them to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace the future of digital marketing with Onpassive. Unleash the power of AI and propel your business to new heights. For more information about Onpassive and making money while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.